It's a Top That Trade Day. Joining us now is Scott Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. Thanks for helping us out, Scott. And Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor. Round up as always. Here we go, guys, with round number one, Exxon or Exx-Off. Exxon has had a big winning streak. Are you off or are you on?
I'm on, baby. I'm on. What a comeback, the big comeback of all time. And what was amazing, of course, and I think we mentioned this last week, that ExxonMobil is no longer big oil. Did you know that?
I did know that.
They fell out of the top 10 of the S&P 500. That was the time to buy it. That's what I said. And I think I said that last week. I think we've gone up every day since. I'm not taking credit. Full disclosure, I own the stock, but Scott might have a different opinion.
So he's the oil guy, right?
I'm the oil guy.
It's hard to dispute what he says. However,
I like how
when I look at the charts here and I look from a technical basis here, yes, Exxon looks really good right now, has made a nice run. It is coming up to some massive, massive resistance between the 70 and 75 area, and this thing has made lower lows and lower highs for the better part of the last year, so I'd be very, very cautious.
All right, good. But what happens if you break through resistance?
Oh, if you break through it, lots of room to run.
So 75 is the number to beat?
75 is the number.
Let's break 75. What do you say?
I say on to round number two. Can it be Canada? Who has it better, the people investing in the United States stock market or the Canadian TSX?
I'm going to get American here, all right? I'm going to be pro-America here.
Okay.
I think we have it pretty good. I have it pretty good. You have it pretty good. I'm going to dispute the fact that maybe many Canadians have it better. Yeah. However, that being said, in terms of the markets, I think that the TSX actually has a bit more upside over the next 3 to 6 months than the Dow does. The safer bet, though, is to stay here and play in the Dow.
Yeah, and besides, in Canada, you have to watch a lot of hockey. You know, you can only take so much hockey, right? But what about the Canadian dollar? I like the Canadian dollar. I think resources are relatively cheap right now, so I think the Canadian dollar will do well. But I don't see a bunch of happy Canadians around. Maybe it's because they don't leave because they're so happy. I don't know. We'll take a look at it. We'll see.
On to round number three. JP Morgan is out with a new index. It is called the Volfifi Index, and it tracks those Trump tweets and the impact on the market. Are you a tweet trader?
Volfifi Index? Volfifi?
Exactly.
I think it's a indicator whose time has come. There are a lot of algorithms that look at headlines and react to them, and there's absolutely no doubt that we have seen historic moves based upon the tweet. If this indicator can actually give you an idea of which way to go after the tweet, I think it's a good thing. And if we don't do it, the computers are definitely going to do it.
There's no doubt about that. But, you know, I think you have to separate the trader from the investor. If you're an investor, you don't even, you shouldn't even have Twitter. You shouldn't be looking at the tweets. You shouldn't be responding to the market. However, if you are a trader, like Phil said, I think there is a lot of use for it, and you can probably take very, very big advantage of it.
You sure can. And if you do have a Twitter, you should follow this guy. What's your Twitter account?
And him.
All right, there you go. Anyway, listen, bottom line here when we talk about these Twitter trades, I have never seen in recent memory where headlines have driven the market up or down like crazy. We get a headline about Iran, we get a headline about China, the markets move dramatically. And at the end of the day, though, if you're an investor, like Scott says, the market goes back to where it was before the tweet. So from a trader viewpoint, great trade if you're in and out quick. For the long-term trade, don't listen to the tweet.
Exactly.
Here's your bonus round question for today. Recently, a royal, Meghan Markle, wore a certain item that quickly sold out. What was it? Denim jeans, a denim dress, or denim ascot?
I am going to go with denim jeans.
Why? Because you wear denim jeans, or why?
I do wear denim jeans, straight leg.
But I've seen you with the denim ascot. You look good in that. I'm going with the ascot. I mean, how many times you get a denim ascot?
You guys, it was so easy. It's a denim dress.
Oh, right in the middle.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.